Welcome back to Apple Cider Vinegar Challenge Week, and today I have got the ultimate surprise for you. This past week, I've laid out the benefits of apple cider vinegar, but I've also laid out a couple of my favorite recipes. I've laid out a morning drink that you can drink with apple cider vinegar, and I've laid out an evening drink. I'm gonna give you a quick breakdown on the ingredients really quick so you know how healthy these recipes are. But in a minute, I'm gonna have two of my friends come back here that have never tried these drinks before, and they're gonna tell me what they think of them. So the morning drink utilizes ashwagandha, and it uses green coffee bean extract to help with energy, help with fat burning, but the ashwagandha helps with modulating mood and makes you feel a little bit more stable throughout the day. The lemon helps with digestion, also helps with fatty acid metabolism a little bit. And the apple cider vinegar, of course, stabilizes blood sugar and reduces hunger throughout the day. The evening formula helps with digestion. That's why we've got kombucha. That's why we have cinnamon to help stabilize blood sugar. And that's why we have ginseng to actually help you out with the mental clarity that you need at night without the caffeine. The lemon's gonna help with digestion. And of course, the apple cider vinegar puts the enzymes back in your body that you need to break these foods down that you are eating. Without further ado, I wanna have someone come back behind the counter with me and try these out. I'm gonna have you try this morning cocktail. So this has apple cider vinegar, lemon, it has some ashwagandha, it's gonna help you out a lot with burning some fat throughout the course of the day. All right, just go ahead and let me know what you think.
Yeah, I can tell it's healthy.
Your eyes are a little red.
A little bit. So I gotta drink that every day?
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Okay.
Cool.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Jess, why don't you give this a try? I'm gonna have you try the evening formula.
Ugh.
Okay, that kind of goes without saying. So it was the taste that really put you off then.
Yes, definitely.
So don't think it's something that you'd want to do every day?
Probably not.
What if I told you that you could actually get all the benefits of this, but without having to actually choke this down every day?
I would want to hear about it for sure.
So I have just that, and I actually posted a free video on my site that explains how apple cider vinegar works. When we start understanding the science behind the acetic acid, what's really happening with it, then we can understand that there actually are some ways that we can get these benefits without having to choke this down. Now, it's an acquired taste. Some people like it, but quite honestly, about 95% of the people that try it end up can't standing getting it down past their palate. So I want you to check out the site where I laid out a full video that breaks everything down. All you have to do is head on over to ScienceBasedACV.com right now, and you can check out that full-length video. Thank you for being a part of Apple Cider Vinegar Challenge Week, and I will see you soon.